Hello guys, welcome back. This is another website I'm going to share with you. This is AdDahs. You can earn dash coin from this website just watching advertisement. Okay, 51 site available just watching for advertisement, and this much dash coin you can earn for just watching that was okay. And this is the minimum amount for the withdrawal is this much, and this is the all withdrawal from this website. Okay, and this website link available in description. This is very high traffic website and this is the registration. You can click and just put your username, first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, choose your gender and solve the captcha. Okay, you will be registered very easy. And if you register yourself, just click login and you log in yourself from this website. Okay, and you can earn from this website very high payment, and this is very easy. Okay, now you can see I have this much balance. Okay, sorry about advertisement. Show me some advertisement about that. This is my balance I have, and the way you can earn. The first way you can earn from this website is the referral your friends to come join this website, and you can earn 8% of the commission from the referral link. Okay, I have the referral people, but this all is not people. This is my self referral link. This website pay me a self referral link. I share with you that trick just few days after upload this website. I referral myself and I earn from myself. Okay, I tell you how you can do that. Okay, and the next way, the surfing, you can earn from the surfing or ads. The surfing ads is very easy. Just solve this capture, just click arrow. Okay, and this solve the capture and just click arrow, and you can see if I watch this advertisement, they pay me this much dash and 60 seconds long. Okay, just I click view. I didn't view that website, I didn't care, but don't close that website after the finishing until after the finishing this seconds. Okay, after finishing this seconds you can close it, and they pay you the amount they tell you. Okay, I pause the video. After 40 seconds I come back. Okay, now you can see I earn my coin without doing anything, and this is very easy. And the next one is the short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn this much dash coin. Just visit the short links. This website pay you very high payment, and 32 link available from this website. Okay, visit the all links and you can earn much more from this. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe me, and this website link available in description. Bye bye.